Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding our journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica statin data shows a labor underutilization rate of 6.7%, indicating that thousands of Jamaicans remain underemployed or are seeking more work hours. Youth unemployment stands at 10.2%, and roughly 1 in 4 young people is classified as not employed, educated, or in training, a persistent concern for policymakers. At the same time, Jamaica's overall business and consumer confidence indices continue to paint an upbeat picture. The Consumer Confidence Index reached a record 186.3 points in the second quarter, while business confidence held steadily, reflecting cautious optimism across most industries. Yet, despite that optimism, employers consistently cite skills shortages and hiring challenges as the most significant barrier to expansion. This paradox will take center stage at the October 28 third quarter release of the GK Capital Management Jamaica Chamber of Commerce Business and Consumer Confidence Indices. For the trading period ending October 10, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited Jamaica Dollar shares with 1,504,049 units traded, representing 16.29% of market sales volume. Logistics conglomerate Kingston Wharves Limited with 707,805 units traded, representing 7.66% of market sales volume. Advertising and real estate firm Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 671,125 units traded, representing 7.27% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On October 10, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $52.56 million purchased and US $47.11 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.64 per dollar, selling the US at $161.71 and buying the US at $160.07. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 99 cents per transaction, with selling at $115.47 and buying at $114.48. The British pound yielded Forex traders $5.54 in profits, with selling at $216.27 and buying at $210.73. For our credit report tip of the day, rebuilding credit and getting out from under debt isn't just a financial task. It's a fight for your freedom. It's the daily decision to face what feels overwhelming. The late payments, the high interest, the calls, the fatigue. It's staring at your statements, making a plan, and choosing action over avoidance. For many professionals rebuilding from setbacks, this process can feel slow and punishing. But every on-time payment, every reduced balance, every call you make to negotiate your terms is a win. The climb back to financial confidence starts the moment you stop freezing and start moving, one deliberate action at a time. When you are a professional woman over the age of 45, building your financial life and moving from recovery to resilience and beyond, take one bold action today. List 3 marketable skills you own, set a 90-day income goal, and message one person in your network who can open a door. For professional women over 45, recovery becomes resilience when small, consistent actions turn your experience into measurable value. And when value shows up, money follows. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.